Hello students, Easy Science for All welcomes you to this lecture on harmful effects of viruses. Do you know that virus can harm not only humans but also plants, animals and other microbes like bacteria, protozoa, algae, fungi and other viruses as well? A virus that infects bacteria is known as bacteriophage. For example, T4 bacteriophage is the name of a virus that has the capability to infect a bacteria. Likewise, a virus that targets other viruses is known as virophage. For example, Sputnik is a virophage which can target or which can infect bigger viruses. Let us now discuss about what diseases are caused by virus in humans, plants and animals. Viruses cause a number of diseases in humans. A few of them are common cold, influenza, polio, measles, AIDS, COVID-19. And you can see that all of them are caused by different kinds of viruses. Similarly, tobacco mosaic of tobacco is the name of a disease caused by the virus tobacco mosaic virus. Likewise, the disease caused in maize by a virus is known as maize dwarf mosaic, and the name of the virus that causes disease in this maize plant is known as maize dwarf mosaic virus. Some of the diseases caused in animals due to viruses are foot-mouth disease of cattle, pigs, hoofed animals, and canine hepatitis in dogs and cats. A horse is a hoofed animal. Other examples of hoof animal are cow, buffalo, goat, deer, etc. Now the big question is there any cure to these diseases caused by viruses? The answer is yes. The answer is a vaccine. A vaccine is a substance that encourages the immune system to produce antibodies and thus provides immunity against one or several diseases. If you are wondering what is an antibody, then let me tell you it is a protein, a Y-shaped protein that is made by our body to fight against microbes causing the diseases. To fight against diseases caused by viruses, vaccines are produced from those viruses that are causing that kind of disease. For example, polio vaccine has been made from polio virus. Then corona vaccine like Covaxin and Covishield, they have been made from coronavirus. And likewise, the vaccines for smallpox, chickenpox, measles, etc., they have been made from the respective viruses which are responsible for these kind of diseases. Likewise, vaccines for bacterial diseases are made using those bacteria which are responsible for the diseases. Likewise is the case in case of fungal diseases and the diseases caused by an algae or a protozoa. So that's it for today. If you have any query regarding this lecture, you can comment to us on our YouTube channel Easy Science for All. Thank you.